Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to install YouTube app on your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for youtube.com. And once you've done that, I want you to click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen, right here. And now you can see the install YouTube option. So just go ahead and click on that and click on install. So that is how you do it. But there's another way to do this. Okay? So the other way is again go to YouTube, click again on the three little dots, more tools, and create shortcut. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.